Understanding Bipartisan Agreement. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often pops up in news about politics and legislation. We're going to explore the meaning of bipartisan agreement. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone keen on improving their English, understanding this term is crucial in grasping how political systems work in countries like the United States. Let's break it down together. At its core, bipartisan refers to the involvement or agreement of two political parties that usually oppose each other's policies. In many countries, especially those with a dominant two-party system, these parties often have significantly different ideologies. When something is described as bipartisan, it means that members from both parties have found common ground or agree on a particular issue, policy, or piece of legislation. It signifies cooperation across the political divide. Why is bipartisan agreement so important? In environments where political polarization is common, achieving a bipartisan agreement can be quite challenging. However, such agreements are crucial for several reasons. Efficiency. Laws and policies that have bipartisan support are more likely to be passed and implemented swiftly. Stability. Bipartisan agreements often lead to more stable and enduring legislation because they are supported by a broader spectrum of the political landscape. Unity. They promote a sense of unity and cooperation, reducing political tension and divisiveness. To put this into perspective, let's consider a few examples. Bipartisan efforts can range from small-scale policies to significant legislative acts. For instance, agreeing on a national budget, implementing environmental protection laws, or enhancing public health systems can all be outcomes of bipartisan agreement. These efforts show that despite their differences, parties can come together to work for the common good. Understanding bipartisan agreement offers valuable insights into how democratic societies operate. It's a testament to the possibility of collaboration and unity, even in times of division. We hope this video has illuminated the significance of bipartisanship in politics and its impact on governance. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.